So hi guys, good morning. So we are here at Siam Paragon. We're waiting for our bus tour. We're going to Ancient City. This is my kuan. Ayan.
Hello vlog.
This is my farm. My farm.
Farm van, yes.
So, kuan kami karon. Ano yun? Ancient. So see you there guys. RJ. So papunta na kami ng Ancient City with a farm. With a farm. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
So, nag-book kami sa Klook. Ancient City Tour. Magkano nga yung bayaran natin? So, i-check nyo na lang. Nasa Klook. And then, ang ano pala no, ang galing sa Siam Paragon sa meet up place kay Kuan 1 hour. Yes guys, 1 hour ang biyahe, but it's okay. Kasi naka-van naman kami and then the van is very convenient naman. Ganda ng van, no? There. Yeah. So kung gusto nyo, i-book nyo lang sa Klook.
Based on the concept floating market.
It's
Okay?
25, yeah?
No. The top, sorry. It's the number 45. The show is here.
Okay.
19 is Thai dancing show, Thai boxing show. Especially for Thai boxing show, it's very famous in here.
Alright,
The
then
must,
we need to see that.
so that why it's must seeing. Okay, it's must seeing. For the location that you can eat inside the map, I already.
Sakto na nitong gibuhat nga, nagtok-tok ta. Kaya di na to
So guys, we are here at the Tuk-Tuk inside Ancient City.
So this the 11?
You can walk around, take a photo, come back home.
We're inside the Ancient City now. Ang ganda dito guys. Super hot but super ganda. Sumakay pala kami ng train dito sa loob. Ano siya? 80 baht per head, pero all the way na hanggang ano na matapos yung tour namin dito. Mag-stop siya, tapos mag-picture-picture kayo. And then, every 15 minutes naman yung yung tawag nito, yung train nila inside the Ancient City. So, kung gusto nyong mag-book, again, nasa Klook lang siya. Tingnan nyo lang. Ilagay ko na lang dito yung kung magkano yung book namin sa bawat isa dito sa Ancient City tour sa Klook. So, ayan guys. Super nice. All the replica of the, ano matawag nila doon? Lahat nila ng mga temple ay nandito. Inisa nila but only replica lang siya. Pero, super nice. Ayan. Hi guys! Hi! So, nandyan sila. Naghintay kami ng train. So, we are at the floating market inside Ancient City now. So guys, meron silang show dito. pala yung nag-show kanina. Ayan. This is the view sa aming next stop. Ayan. And while nagpahinga yung mga kapatid ko at pamangkin ko, so mag-video muna ako dito. Stop kami for drinks kasi super init talaga. So ayan sila dyan. Meron naman ditong mga pwede ka makabili ng snacks if you're hungry and if you're uhaw. So ayan. We start here at ancient. Yes. So ito pala yung tram na sinakyan namin dito sa loob ng Ancient City. So this is the view. Pang ilang stop na namin, hindi ko na maalala. Pero ayan, ito yung view dito sa lugar na to. Lalabot sila dito. Nagbaktas na sila. The group is here. Punta ka ng Italy. Guys, we're done for our Ancient City tour. So, doon sa Ancient City, sa loob niya, meron silang mga restaurant, madami. Meron coffee shop. And kung magutom naman kayo doon, ang price okay naman, affordable naman siya. So, that's all for today's vlog. Thank you for watching.